Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing African threading on my loose natural hair. So I did have some braids in my hair. I left them for like going on 2 weeks. I did record that, but I don't know if I'm gonna post it because of course it's not a tutorial. None of my hair videos are tutorials. But when I was like editing it, it looked kind of crooked, and when I was like filming it, I wasn't sure if the camera on my ring light was crooked, but I guess it was. Like it just I don't know. But anyways, I'm debating uploading that because of that. So hopefully this one doesn't look crooked. It kind of does, but if it does, disregard. But yeah, so I had those in for like 2 weeks. I took them out and I was debating what to do next. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do next, and I came across West African Baby channel. I've watched some of her other contents when I was freshly natural. I love her hair. She has beautiful hair. She's a beautiful girl. And then the content that they showed me was her doing African threading in her hair. So I was like, I remember when I was, a little girl, my mom used to thread my own hair. So I was like, okay, let's see how this turned out. And she has very thick, beautiful hair. It looks beautiful on her. I wanted to do it because it's time consuming, but it's a very easy hairstyle to do. Depending on the length and thickness of your hair, it might not be as time consuming, but yeah, so I decided to do that. So this is how it's looking like. None of my parts are straight, but if you watch my hair videos, you know this. I don't care about clean parts. I'm extremely tender head. I have natural hair, as you guys can see, and I don't really like doing a lot of things to my scalp because she's very sensitive. But anyways, let me show you guys how the back looks like. So hopefully I'm in frame. So this is how the back is looking like, and there's no added hair. This is all my natural hair. I do have fine natural hair, so I already knew the way that they would look because my hair strands are not super thick, but it is what it is. But yeah, so this is how they're looking like, and I did add beads to the ends. The braids that I had in my hair, I did have beads as well, but I only had clear beads. On this hairstyle, I decided to also add black beads as well. So I'm almost done. I only have this little portion left. So let me show you guys what I am using. So I'm using this Afro Sheen Crown Defining Curl Cream. Defines and Hydrate. Hold on. It's kind of shiny because, of course, I've been dipping in it. So this is how the packaging looks like, and then this is this is the top. It has a pig, which is so cute. So this is the curl cream that I'm using. So I'm only using 2 products. So I'm using the curl cream on my strands, and then I'm going over that with the Lush Fro Butter from the same brand, and this smells so good. I already have a dent in it, and I literally just started using it. I still, if I love my Blue Magic. I still have some left, but I wanted to try another one of my sealers. Like, I was like, let me go use my blue, but I was like, you know what, let's use something else. So this is my first time using this, and I've had this for a while in my hair product, and this smells amazing. This smells so good. Like, this smells so good, and it makes my hair feel so soft, you guys. It makes my hair feel so soft. Okay, let's talk and work at the same time. And then this is the thread that I'm using. So again, I only have this little section left. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I did 1. So on this section right here, I just turned it into 2, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. I'm gonna just turn it into 2. I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did, but this is not a tutorial, you guys. Again, I just like to show you guys me doing my natural hair. So I'm gonna go with the curl cream. Now you don't need a lot of this. The slip is there, but if you watch my other videos, I do go heavy-handed. I like to use a a lot of product because I like to ensure my hair is actually fully moisturized, because again, I do not go like in other videos I've mentioned, especially my twist video I think I mentioned, I do not moisturize my hair like every single day and stuff like that. So I do like to make sure the days I do moisturize, I put a good amount. So I was making sure my strands are detangled. As you can see, you could still see the product because again, I'm heavy-handed. Now I'm gonna go with a little bit of the shea butter. You don't need a lot of this at all. So this is how much. It smells so freaking good, and it does melt in your hand. And I'm just gonna apply it. Okay, so with this, can you guys see? I feel like the camera is going dark. Okay, so with this, I do like when I watch West African Baby video, she mentioned she also start with the twist. So I do start with a twist. You guys probably can't see, but I start with the twist, and then I'm gonna take a portion of the thread, and I hold it pretty taut. Hopefully y'all could see. And I start twisting. And I do twist a good amount of time at the roots. And then when I'm done twisting at the roots, I start twisting to the length of my hair. And again, you guys, this is not a tutorial. Hopefully you guys are able to see. I just like to, you know, show you guys me, you know, doing my own natural hair, like me washing my hair, doing it. I like watching those type of content. And even though, you know, like I'm not doing a tutorial, I still want to come and show you guys a little bit of what I do to my own hair as well, because you know, when I decided to not relax my hair anymore and I decided to go natural, I really, you know, wanted to learn how to really fully take care of my own natural hair instead of going to the salon all the time and stuff like that to do it. And it's so rewarding to know how to take care of your own hair, even if you're not someone that want to like know how to style it, like do braids, faux locks, sewing or wigs and stuff like that. You want to go and get that done. I still feel like it's really rewarding to know how to just take care of it, you know, wash, condition, deep condition, moisturize, and so on. Because when you take care of your hair and you show your hair that, you know, you care about what's growing on top of your head, it definitely pays you back. So, you know, I love watching those type of videos, and I feel as if like everyone should want to learn how to properly take care of their own hair as well. So I'm just gonna keep twisting this to like the end of my hair. And then when I'm done, I bend it, like I bend the end of where my hair ends, and then I start adding the beads. And I pull them all the way up. And then the end of the thread that don't have my hair, I pull it down, and then where my hair ends, I pull one bead down to where my hair ends, and then I bend it again. Well, fold it. I fold it, I twist a little bit of where my hair ends with the thread, and I tie it into a knot, and I take another bead and I do the same thing. And I take another one, and then I pull the remainder down, and then I try to cut this really close because I don't want the too much thread to be showing. And that's about it. Now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna do the other side and hopefully get as much footage as I possibly can for you guys. Okay, so I am done, you guys. Okay, yeah, I am done, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am in love. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but when I was younger, my mom used to do thread my hair. I don't know if she used to put beads, but I remember she used to thread my hair and put it in a little ponytail, and I used to love that. So watching West African Baby channel definitely brought me back, and I wanted to do it on myself. Well, me doing it myself this time. They did shrink, but that's fine. Yeah, I really like them. Now when I had the braids and the beads, yeah, I go to the gym 5 times a week, and I do go in the sauna after I'm done, and the beads were freaking hot. And that hair, if I do show the video, you guys will see the braids were literally down my back, and they were freaking hot. I had to put them in a ponytail on the top of my head. Now since this is my natural hair, I mean, I could definitely put them in a bun. I could definitely put it in a bun. So I'm gonna, I think I'm probably gonna clip it, because these beads, they get freaking hot in the sauna. But yeah, I really like them. Now my edges, I've mentioned before, I do not do anything to them. I let them do what they do. You know, I have fine hair. My edges, I've always been really thin ever since I was a child, so I'm used to it. It is what it is. I let them do what they want to do. I kind of just, you know, little moisturize and then oil and leave them alone. I don't really do gel like that on them. Maybe once in a blue moon I'll do gel, but gel doesn't even work for me, honestly. So yeah, so this is how I'm gonna just leave them. I'm just gonna probably brush my edges if I'm going somewhere that, you know, I need to do that for. But yeah, I really like them. Definitely watch West African Baby channel if you want to see how her hair looks with these. I've seen some other recommendation for other people that thread their hair, but she's the only one that did watch and brought me back to my childhood, and I wanted to do them on myself again. They look so good. They literally look like twists just with, you know, thread. I'm gonna see how long I could leave them in, again, since I do go to the gym and I sweat a lot, and my scalp, my scalp, girl, she be itching. So I'm gonna see how long I could leave them in, because I don't know, I don't think I would want to wash my hair with these in it. So we'll see. I'm just babbling right now, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me show you guys the back again. Again, they did shrink. I wonder, oh, hold on. So this is how they're looking. Side. Now I wonder how much they're gonna shrink overall, because when I would do twists in my hair without beads and without thread, they would shrink like up here. So we'll see if these shrink more and more each day. I mean, they do have some weight, so I don't know how much they're gonna shrink, but they have shrunken already from me doing, you know, the back all the way up. But yeah, I really like them, you guys. I'm gonna stop talking. Yeah, thank you so much for going back to my channel and watching another one. You guys know I definitely appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye.